Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a contact on Signal private messenger app so you can start chatting with your friends and family more securely than any other app on the market. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to add contact to your Signal private messenger app, and let's get started with the video. First, simply open the Signal private messenger app. This is the logo of the app and make sure you are logged in into your account as well. Now, when you come in this interface, simply tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you tap here, you will simply see all your contacts that have Signal Messenger private app logged in their phone. Now simply use or tap add contacts, or simply you can search here as well. Enter the phone number of the person you want to add to Signal private messenger so that you can chat with them. Optionally, you can also add their names for easier recognition. You can search it from the search bar here. Tap save or add and the new contact will now appear in your Signal contact list. You are now ready to start messaging them securely without any further delay. And that's how you can add a contact on Signal private messenger app. Easy, fast and private. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for next Signal tutorial. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.